the next demonstration, we're going to see how we can set range color. So we have a range of data, a range of cells, and we are going to see how we can specify and select a certain color to be applied for this range of cells. For that, we need Excel application scope and set range color. Set range color will actually provide some sort of options in the input and the properties section. So we have color, so we can specify the color here by providing the name of the color, and then after that we can specify this color that need to be applied for what kind of cell range. So we need to specify the cell range so that this color is going to be applied for this cell range, and then as usual we need to specify the sheet name. Let us go now practically and see how we can provide or how we can apply it. So we are going to create sequence demo 8, create, copy as usual, close the previous demonstrations. So now let us try to use the activity which is set range color. So let us drag it into our workspace. So now we need to specify the color, and if we will hover our mouse on the color field, it is telling us that if you are going to select the color, please select it in this format. You need to write system.drawing.color. So this is the argument which I need to pass it here, system.drawing.color, and then after that I need to specify the color. So let us just apply it. This is actually showing you that even if you don't know how to use the system, from just reading the description you will be able to do it. So let us just apply what is available. So I need to write system.drawing, fine, color, and then if I will hit dot again, I am getting all the color options which I can apply. So let us assume that I am going to apply different color. Let us say I'm going to apply dark gray. So this is what I'm going to apply, and I'm going to apply it for which range? I'm going to apply it for from A1 to C1. So I just wanted to change the header, the first row header, okay, from sheet 1. Let us just run the code. Okay, so now let us go to our data sheet and see if the first row color was changed. So as you can see, it's becoming almost gray. So the color which we have specified here was dark gray, and this is the color which is dark gray. It is selected for the first row, as per our range which we have specified in the activity section, in the property section. So you are able in this demonstration to set the cell color for cell range of Excel sheet.